2025 Suzuki Intruder 150, the ultimate budget cruiser. Introduction. Suzuki has made a bold move in the cruiser segment with the 2025 Suzuki Intruder 150. Designed for riders who want a premium cruising experience without breaking the bank, this motorcycle blends modern styling with comfort and practicality. But does it live up to the expectations? In this article, we'll dive into the design, features, performance, and pricing of the new Suzuki Intruder 150. Design and styling. The 2025 Suzuki Intruder 150 follows the same aggressive and bulky cruiser design that made its predecessor stand out. However, Suzuki has refined the styling with sharper body lines, an updated LED headlamp, and new dual-tone color options. The massive front fairing and sculpted fuel tank give it a big bike feel, making it look more premium than other 150cc motorcycles. The wide, comfortable seat and forward-set footpegs ensure a relaxed riding posture, ideal for long-distance cruising. The new digital instrument cluster provides real-time information, including speed, fuel efficiency, and gear position. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Intruder 150 carries the same 155cc, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine seen in the previous model. However, Suzuki has tuned it for better torque delivery in the lower and mid-range RPMs. The engine now produces around 13.6 HP and 13.8 Nm of torque, ensuring smooth power delivery for city commutes and highway cruising. The fuel injection system has been refined for better fuel efficiency, delivering around 45 to 50 km/h. The 5-speed gearbox provides a smooth riding experience, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced riders. Ride and handling. Being a cruiser, the 2025 Intruder 150 focuses on comfort and stability. The telescopic front forks and rear monoshock suspension absorb bumps effortlessly, providing a plush ride. The low seat height, 740 mm, and light curb weight, 152 kg, make it easy to handle, even for shorter riders. Braking is handled by disc brakes on both ends with a single-channel ABS, offering excellent stopping power and safety. The 140 mm rear tire enhances grip, ensuring confidence while cornering or riding on highways. Features and technology. Suzuki has packed the Intruder 150 with modern features to attract young riders. Some key highlights include checkmark LED headlamps and DRLs, improved visibility and stylish appeal. Checkmark fully digital console, displays real-time riding data. Checkmark USB charging port, convenient for long rides. Checkmark BS6 Phase 2 compliant engine, meets the latest emission norms. Checkmark smart fuel injection system, optimized for performance and efficiency. Price and rivals. The 2025 Suzuki Intruder 150 is expected to be priced around 1.45 lakh rupees ex-showroom, India. This puts it in competition with bikes like Bajaj Avenger 160th Street and Royal Enfield Hunter 350 for those considering an entry-level cruiser experience. Conclusion: is it worth buying? The 2025 Suzuki Intruder 150 is an excellent choice for riders who want a budget-friendly, stylish, and comfortable cruiser. While it may not be the most powerful bike in its class, it compensates with reliability, fuel efficiency, and a premium feel. If you are looking for a modern entry-level cruiser that turns heads and offers a smooth ride, the Intruder 150 is definitely worth considering. Would you buy the new Suzuki Intruder 150? Let us know in the comments below.